Hi, in this video I am going to show how you can install VLC media player in Ubuntu or Linux. VLC is a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files. Subscribe the channel and let's begin by opening a terminal and type this command and hit enter and enter your password to install VLC media player in your system. And now type Y for yes, then hit enter. You can play VLC media player from terminal by this command VLC, then hit enter. Like this video and comments. Thank you so much.